With Bitcoin up to 109,000, everybody is excited today, and things are looking very bullish. Bitcoin once again testing these all-time high levels, and it could lead to a very strong breakout. As a matter of fact, what we've got going on right now, it has happened, I believe, twice in recent history, and both times Bitcoin has rallied at least 80% afterwards. We're going to talk about the statistics in this video, and if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay, bro. Now, a large cluster of potential short liquidations near 111,320 could trigger a squeeze to accelerate Bitcoin's next leg higher into price discovery. Now, I want to talk a little bit about that in this video because it seems as though, right? We take a look at this. Bitcoin's testing. And it seems as though Bitcoin is unable to break out of this all-time high level that it has seen several times over the last couple of months. Well, short sellers are protecting their position. They're not going out there and closing out. They're going out there and doubling down. They're going out there and creating selling pressure because they do not want to be liquidated. As a matter of fact, if they get liquidated at this $111,320 level, not only will Bitcoin hit all-time highs, it could surge even higher. So, key takeaways from this article. Bitcoin's funding rate briefly turned negative in late June, historically a sign for upcoming rallies. A large concentration of short liquidations near 111,320 could fuel a short squeeze. Bitcoin is broken out of a bull flag, targeting 117,500, new research suggests. So it goes on to say that Bitcoin's future perpetual funding rate dipped into negative territory in late June, a period that saw Bitcoin's price rise from around 108 from below $100,000. Now, a negative funding rate means that short position holders are paying long traders to keep their positions open, a sign of bearish market sentiment. However, a negative funding rate during a general price increase often results in an overcrowded short trade vulnerable to a short squeeze. In the case of Bitcoin, similar funding rate flips in September of 2024 and July of 2023 preceded 80% and 150% gains respectively. Guys, this is an incredible opportunity to see Bitcoin, and I get it, right? If Bitcoin's hitting an all-time high, it seems like it might be overbought. It seems expensive, and therefore people may open short positions. Well, you know what? If those short positions get liquidated and Bitcoin breaks through this level, it could very quickly reach higher and higher levels with no technical resistance on the chart. Now, looking at that, one of the ways that I'm taking advantage of it is I am buying Bitcoin out on KSX. You guys got a link for that down in the description. You guys can trade Bitcoin on up to 125x leverage if you would like. But I'm also buying into Bitcoin Bull. There's only 3 days and 21 hours left until Bitcoin Bull is claimable and trading live. Now, with that, let's think about this. Bitcoin is testing all-time highs at the same time that Bitcoin Bull is getting ready to launch. This could be one of the biggest, one of the most bullish launches that we have seen in crypto's history because, of course, Bitcoin Bull should do very well if Bitcoin is doing well. Now, if you're interested in buying in, you can click buy with crypto or buy with card. You get a link for everything down in the description. Connect your wallet and then type in how much you want. But one of the reasons so many people are excited about Bitcoin Bull, especially as Bitcoin is hitting these all-time highs, is because when Bitcoin hits 150,000, you're getting Bitcoin airdrop to your wallet. When Bitcoin hits 200,000, you're getting Bitcoin airdrop to your wallet. So not only do you get to experience the capital gains by holding Bitcoin Bull and watching the price rise higher, you get Bitcoin airdrop to your wallet if, you got to meet two requirements here. You have to buy Bitcoin Bull, with your best wallet. So to reward Bitcoin Bull community in Bitcoin, we needed a wallet partner with advanced capabilities. And Bitcoin Wallet is a multi-chain, or Best Wallet, is a multi-chain crypto wallet which is integrated with the community sale, allowing us to airdrop Bitcoin Bull to all crypto pre-sale buyers. And the next thing, that pre-sale buyer right there, you have to buy Bitcoin Bull during the community sale. This is not something that you can go out and hope to get on a dip. This is something that you do need to buy at least in the next 3 days in 21 hours. So with such bullish, positive momentum happening right now, I believe that Bitcoin bull could thrive right alongside Bitcoin. I want to know what you guys think about it down in the comments below. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.